What's going on, Knife Lifers? Welcome back to the Knife Life EDC. I got a quick first impressions for you. Something I kind of been wanting to buy since I first started looking at knives, and like months and months ago. And it was kind of like the first one I kind of saw. I thought it looked kind of goofy, but I finally kind of thought it started looking kind of cool or whatever. So I went ahead and just finally picked it up. It kind of took me a while to find it because apparently it's out of stock or something like that's going on. So I had to find it on a random website. This is the Civivi Minimis. So there you have all your paperwork, stickers, sheet, cloth, and the Civivi Minimis. I don't know. I kind of like I like pocket knives, or I like neck knives. I just don't like to put them around my neck. Just usually for something like this, I carry it in my pocket. It's a pretty cool little thing. Kind of a nice little sheath. It fits in there pretty nice. It is reversible. The sheath is like the clip. You put it on either side. And you know, I thought it did actually come with a. I can't get the box open. I thought it came with like a chain or something like that. Oh yeah, there you go. So if you obviously want the chain, put it around your neck. I actually don't like the chains around my neck. If I ever would put that around, I was in the military and I wore dog tags, and they pull on, like if you have, obviously your guy, you have chest hair, gonna pull on that chest hair a little bit. But if you got some paracord or 550 cord or whatever, just rig something up that way. That's my suggestion. Again, I said I don't like that type of stuff anyway, so I just put this thing small enough just to put in my pocket. Well, obviously you have the clip right there. Should go right on there. Kind of nice. I can't remember the steel. I don't know if it's on there. It's an O-step Halo design, and there's the steel. I can't remember if that was. I can't remember if that's any good or not. I have to look at it. That looks like a scratch or something. I don't know. It almost looks like it's scraped up. Yeah, like right there. Oh, that looks, actually in the light, that all looks rough. I don't know. Hopefully it wasn't used or something like that beforehand or something. I don't know. Like I said, it was a website I won't be going back to. I just couldn't find it anywhere at the moment, so I kind of just went ahead and just found some place. They were pretty. The reviews were reliable, but I don't know for sure now. But still, I'm gonna still use it, test it out, review it. Yeah. So let me say the steel. The steel is 10CR 15CO MOV. Obviously, it's gonna be a 3-hand or 3-finger. I don't like that. I guess it does have like a little bump out right there, because you don't really want your fingers to slide or anything like that and end up with a nice little gash. But it definitely is a 3-finger hold. You can also kind of use with these type of knives, something like that. I usually almost put my pinky finger around the lanyard, which it also does come with a lanyard, and also like the Civivi little C symbol. I don't know if that's like titanium or just aluminum or something like that. I'm not sure. I don't remember if it said it on the website or not. But it doesn't feel bad in your hand. It really doesn't. Feels like it's pretty good and sturdy too. Doesn't feel like there's any bow or anything like that. I wonder if it cuts. Let me get some paper real quick. I kind of want to try that out. See how sharp it is. Ugh. I swear I'm not the best at this crap. I'm getting better. One day I'll be good at cutting paper with a knife. But pretty sharp though overall. Get rid of this crap. I don't know, the length isn't too long either. Like if the blade length is 2.27, I don't know if you can really see that in the black background. It's 2.22 actually, and the overall length is just under 5 inches. So it's really, really small. And like for these type of knives, I just throw them in my pocket and go. Obviously they stay in the sheath really well. I kind of wanted to compare it to a CRKT Minimalist. And this is the the drop point also. So honestly, the blade and everything is about the same size, pretty close. And see, that's what I'm also talking about, like with the pinky, you can also really get your finger around this and kind of hold it just to kind of really get your hand on it. I do kind of like the handle better on this because obviously you get your fingers right in there, you're not going to get, you know, slip anyway. This obviously is just straight up hand on the frame, that's it. I guess I've seen people with paracord on there, so that might be kind of something I look into. Cuts pretty well though. And I'm going to probably get a paracord or something like that to kind of wrap around there. I've seen a lot of people doing that. I just got to learn how to do that and wrap it in there. I don't know about this thing. I might keep it, I might take it off, or I might put something new on. Not quite sure. But it's pretty nice overall though. I really like that overall. I think it was $50, so compared to something like this, that's 25, maybe 30. Like, you just kind of got to give and take. Honestly, right now I can't tell which one I like. Obviously, I do like the handle on the CRKT Minimalist and this, but I'll give it a try. Kind of, you know, let everybody know my opinion on it later when I give a review, official review on it, an overview. But if you guys like the video, just give it a thumbs up or subscribe.